hands-on with the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S flagship smartphone. Xiaomi has just announced its third-generation Mi Mix smartphone at an event here in Shanghai. It's not a huge change over the Mi Mix 2, which was a big change from the original Mi Mix, but there are some worthy upgrades here on the Mi Mix 2S. The first-generation Mi Mix received some harsh complaints about its camera, and Xiaomi really turned things around with the Mi Mix 2, and now with the second camera on the Mi Mix 2S, it's even better. It does come in 3 RAM storage capacities, 6GB/64GB, 6GB/128GB and 8GB/256GB. And there is no microSD card slot. However, that really shouldn't be an issue, even if you do pick up the entry-level model with 64GB of storage. But where Xiaomi is offering up 256GB of storage, that should still be plenty for most people. On the software front, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S is running MIUI 9 along with Android Oreo. As per usual, MIUI doesn't really showcase the best of Android Oreo, since it has a ton of its own features on top. Many of Oreo's features were actually already in MIUI, so it's not that big of a deal that is running Oreo, but still nice to see it on Oreo out of the box. This is an upgrade over the Mi Mix 2 from last year, seeing as the single camera there was a 12-megapixel sensor with f/2.0 and 1.25 microns in size. On top of upgrading the physical camera hardware, Xiaomi has also added some artificial intelligence to the device. Xiaomi has once again made this a global smartphone, sporting 43 bands inside, though that applies only to the 8GB RAM variant of the device. So even though the Mi Mix 2S won't be available in the US, you can import the global version and use it in the US. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S is priced at 3,299 yuan, $523, and will go on sale shortly.